AI-driven 5B B2B SaaS lead generation strategies. Examples: AnyBiz. In today's competitive B2B SaaS world, lead generation is key. With AI, businesses can automate tasks, gather quality data, personalize marketing, and predict conversions accurately. It's not just about evolving, it's about standing out and growing. AI revolutionizes B2B SaaS lead generation by automating processes and refining marketing with predictive analytics. By analyzing vast datasets, AI identifies high-converting leads, enhancing sales focus and refining marketing efforts. This data-driven approach redefines how SaaS leads are generated in the digital age. Top 10 AI-driven B2B SaaS lead generation strategies. 1. Predictive lead scoring with AI optimizes prospect evaluation by analyzing data, helping businesses focus on high-conversion opportunities. By integrating CRM with AI tools, companies streamline sales efforts towards promising leads. 2. Content personalization and recommendations leverage AI to tailor content for individual prospects based on their past interactions. For instance, Cloud Tech dynamically adjusts website content by analyzing visitor browsing history and engagement levels to display relevant articles and product recommendations. 3. Chatbots powered by AI engage website visitors, offering information and gathering data to qualify leads. For instance, FinTech Solutions employs Finny, an AI chatbot, to greet visitors, provide resources, and assess lead potential based on interactions. 4. Email marketing optimization harnesses AI to personalize content and determine optimal delivery times, enhancing open and click rates for higher conversions. For instance, DevTools Inc., a B2B SaaS provider, utilizes AI to analyze subscriber engagement and deliver tailored emails at peak times. 5. Social media insights and targeting with AI analyze user activity, aiding B2B SaaS companies in identifying leads and tailoring services. For instance, HR Tech Solutions uses AI to detect HR tech trends, crafting targeted content for maximum engagement. Meet AnyBiz.io, the ultimate AI tool for B2B SaaS companies. It automates lead generation, personalizes outreach, and optimizes sales strategies with cutting-edge AI algorithms. From predictive analytics to multilingual outreach, AnyBiz.io maximizes efficiency and scalability effortlessly. AI revolutionizes B2B SaaS lead generation, enhancing accuracy and customization. AnyBiz exemplifies this transformation, boosting conversion rates and streamlining sales processes. Embrace AI today to outpace competitors and lead your leads into the future. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support, like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.